Recording. Shit, the whole time I didn't record. This stupid shit. Shit, you're fighting like a little girl. Like 8-inch fish. You tell the fish to stand still, Chico. Bring your shit up. Lift it up. Yeah, that's how you do it. Lift it up more and then come down and reel it.
I gotta do this.
Oh, make the fish tired. Oh, I see a fish. It's a bonito. Oh, the nigga got on the fin.
Pick it up. You can pick him up. There it is.
On the side, he got the fish on the side. The bonito though.
Get the gas away.
Chico got another fish. That's the second one.
Oh yeah.